What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing home goods haul for you guys. I have found so many good items in store and actually online as well that I am super excited to share with you. They include a bunch of fall decor, which, if you can believe it, it is here. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, before we hop into the video, we are starting off with these beautiful pillowcases from LILYSILK. Is the perfect choice to discover the world of silk. The pillowcase has a beautiful envelope closure for those who like to put their hands underneath their pillowcases when they sleep. It is inexpensive yet effective in treating common sleep-related problems such as skin irritations, and this pillowcase also leaves your hair feeling hydrated and beautiful. Next up, we are moving on to the beautiful, lightweight, and breathable comforter that is hand washable and machine washable. It is a quilted box stitch construction to help keep the fill evenly distributed and is perfect for the warmer and cooler climates because it is not too thick or too thin. It also comes with a free dust bag with each and every duvet purchase, helping to keep it new and clean. The outer shell is a long staple cotton and the inner filling is 100% pure and natural long strand silk floss. The temperature regulation is great because the breathability and heat insulating properties of silk make sure that it is able to keep you warm without making you hot, and its great moisture wicking abilities help to keep your bed dry. I personally love using silk pillowcases because I feel like they make such a difference in my hair feeling comfortable and soft versus waking up using a cotton pillowcase. It just always makes my hair feel dull and dry. Next up is this beautiful button-down black and white stripe silk shirt from LILYSILK. This Amalfi stripe silk shirt is soft with powerful wrinkle resistance. Enjoy the comfy, regular fit of a chic shirt. You'll love to dress it up or down for any occasion. As you can see, I styled it with my favorite leather-like leggings, and this is a dress-down look, which you could also change up very easily by pairing it with a pair of jeans and heels. I also love the little slits on the side that help keep everything uniform. I, of course, will leave all the information in the description box down below. Don't forget about their anniversary sale and click the link to get yours for yourself. We are starting off with this gorgeous mirror. You guys, look at the detail on this. It is a beautiful black finish with a little bit of a glazed like silver or gray over top of it. I love the size of these. I believe these are 29-inch. I can link them for you below, and I love the ball detail. They are round and simplistic and beautiful, and they are going to go right up here in place of this heinous light and mirror. So this bathroom will get a little bit of a revamp to complete the look with these beautiful finds. They came super fast shipping wise, and then they do have a hanger on the back to secure them to the wall. So I'm just gonna do 2 of them, change the light, and then this room will be complete. Next up is this beauty right here. I am in the process of finishing the beauty room, and we're still gonna have to change that picture, but I did score these beautiful chairs as well as this carpet. I'm probably gonna have to change the table as well, but for now it's staying. But you guys, how cute is this little space coming together? I am loving this carpet. It was only $129. It's super soft, and again, came super fast in shipping. If you have not been on the Homegoods website, please check it out because it is absolutely amazing. Super soft. I love the variation of colors, and the size is perfection. I believe they call this a 5x8, but you know, of course, because of the cutout, it's not going to be exact. And these chairs are an absolute dream. They came in one piece. They have a beautiful finish and color of the wood grain, and then of course this fluffy soft seat that you just can't get enough of. I think they look so luxe and so gorgeous. They were under, I believe, $500, so a really good deal for them as well. They're super oversized, short, and modern. And like I said, let me know what you guys think, but I think I need a square, larger, more colorful piece in this space to complete this look. And then of course a light, and we will be in action. This is also from Homegoods, so is that actually, coincidentally, but this is a lot older, but I do love all of the accent tables that they have as well. They have them on the website, they have them in store, you just have to check them out. But you guys, Homegoods online is really, I feel like, ramping it up, and they have a new arrival section, and they have free shipping over a certain amount that you spend. So to me, it's really worth it because look at these beauties that I was able to score that I feel like I probably wouldn't have found in person. So if you're looking to do a little luxe area, corner, office area, accent area, definitely check this out because these are some of my absolute faves. Next up, I have talked about these containers before, but I have gotten more because they are just so perfect for absolutely everything. And in this case, I used them on my shelves in the closet for leggings, to separate those out, hats, bags, anything like that. I love them because they organize things. They're clear, but they also have a texture to them, which I think is nice for a couple of reasons. One, because it obscures a little bit of what's inside, and two, because I feel like it gives the space a little bit of a decor look, if you will, without it actually being decor, instead of them being just super clear and see-through like the standard ones that I do love and use all around the house. I feel like these just give the closet a little bit of a zhuzhing, if you will, and they're perfect for organizing your stuff. They do come in multiple sizes. This is the medium size. They do have a small size and then a really tall one, which probably would be about this height and the same width. So if you're looking to organize a space, definitely check them out. I've seen them all over at so many different Homegoods, and they're 2 for, I believe, $15. So really good price on those as well. Next up is the absolute star of the show. You guys, these are some of my most favorite finds I've ever found in a history of me shopping at Homegoods. These are beautiful bar stools that are so amazingly affordable. I'm hoping they're still online, but I had to make sure that I got them and enjoyed the quality before I spoke about them. But you guys, everything about these is gorgeous. The color of the material, the texture of the material, the stain color of the wood, the color of the stain. It's not too brown, it's not too orange, it's not too light, it's not too dark. I love how it has a little bit of a back on it. If you have an island, then you will understand how hard it is to find bar stools that give it a nice luxe look, that have a little bit of a back and aren't too shallow. I feel like when they're too shallow, it looks unfinished to me. So I just love the way that this turned out. I did end up getting 5. So they are sold on, I believe, Homegoods and Marshall's, or Homegoods and T.J.Maxx website. And I was able to get, they come in sets of 2, so 2 sets. And then while I was in Homegoods, as you can see, this one in the middle has a little mark on the back that I still need to get off. They had 1 extra. I don't know how, I don't know why, I didn't ask questions, but I was like, this is meant to be, because I need 1 more to fill this space out completely, and it looks perfect. So if you are looking for a good bar stool, these are the brand Nautica. They are super comfortable. I think the pair was under $500, so that makes them around $250 a piece. I think that is an absolute steal, you guys. I have been looking for bar stools for probably 6 to 9 months, and I was able to find these all along at good old Homegoods. So if you're looking, please look no further. These are phenomenal. I've looked at West Elm, Amazon, Macy's, Crate & Barrel, CB2, you name it. I have looked there. Ashley, American, any furniture store. I feel like I've Google searched them to death, and these are my favorite on the market right now. So I will link them somehow, some way. I will try my best to find them because they're too good to pass up. I also want to take a second to talk about the beautiful, amazing fall throws that they have. These are so versatile and so gorgeous. I love this one because it is reversible, and it has this beautiful ivory color and beautiful fall little owls on it with black on the other side. I think it just goes really nicely with the couch and the pillows. And then of course, my absolute favorite fall. It is out, it is here, and I am loving all of the black accents that they have everywhere. I think this is perfect because to me, it looks like decor. It's not too Halloween-y, but it's fall. I actually saw a video on that recently on TikTok, and I feel like that resonated so much with me. I'm not a Halloween girl, but I am a fall girl, so anything that looks fall and decor-ish, I feel like I'm super attracted to. So this one's really nice. It's got a lot of sharp edges on it, super modern looking, and it was only $14.99. You absolutely cannot beat that. I feel like these go anywhere. Just throw them on a coffee table and an accent table, in the kitchen for decor, and it just kind of gives your house the fall vibe, but it still kind of meshes itself with the decor, so it doesn't stick out too much if you're not into the overwhelming look. If you are, nothing wrong with that as well. It's beautiful, but for me, I just kind of want it to meld together with all of my other decor. Here is another beauty that I was able to find on another gorgeous accent table, which I will show you, which is actually from Target, not Homegoods, but I do want to show it because it's oversized and gorgeous. But this one is so cute because it has spikes. It's super modern. It has that beautiful glossy black finish and was only $12.99. So I'm going to style it on this little accent table. Maybe not this exact one, but an accent table with some little books. Just kind of throw the pumpkin on top of there and it will kind of complete this look. I love how you can just stack them on top of a book, throw them on a coffee table, and it just gives that fall look without it being too much effort and without it being too expensive in case you want to just change it up next year. I do think I'm going to change the actual table, this one probably upstairs, and maybe swap that black and white one for down here, because I feel like this is too monochromatic, although I do love these chairs. But I do love the table overall. It is from Target, but you guys, this is such a good deal as well. It's a beautiful vanilla color. It's not too white. It has 0 yellow. You know how we feel about that in this house. And it is a little bit of a glossy finish, but not too glossy. And it's really nice and oversized. So if you're looking for a nice accent table that has a little bit of a geometric modern look, then I will definitely link this one for you because it's so beautiful. And I'm really surprised for the price how oversized it is, because most accent tables are like super tiny and small. Was also able to pick up these super cute sets of hand towels. I love a little modern moment. These are another thing that is nice to pick up at any HomeGoods, Marshalls, or T.J.Maxx because they're not expensive. I think the pair was maybe $6, $7, and they're super cute for a powder bath, for a guest bath, for any sort of bathroom to just hang over and have a really nice accent color or print pulled into a bathroom to kind of pull everything together. I love having little towels. They're easy to wash and they're really decorative and beautiful and just a really nice accent to have. So of course it matches my shirt. So don't forget to check out that bath section because they have some really good accent little additions like this that will really bring a room together. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will leave everything linked in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.